No, no, no. You like coffee too? Oh my god, we all love coffee. Here's pretty much the deal. I've had some coffee and I've got an idea. I want to get across Bangkok to this night market that I've seen that looks awesome. Someone took a photo of it, I've seen it on Instagram, you know, that I know, but I want to do a better version of the same photo from above and get a bit of a sunset. So, got to get across the city, got to get to this night market, got to do it in time, which I'm running out of, and we've got to find where this viewpoint thing is from above and then nail the photo. So, let's go, come along. I'm just getting ready to go and I'm like, what am I going to wear? Because you have to think about these things, you know, it's going on the internet and I'm like, should I put a hat on? And you know, I'm trying these things on, but I can't wear hats. I can't wear hats. It's a thin hat. Here's the hat someone bought me recently, a little snapback hat. Yeah? I can't wear hats. I don't know why, I just have the wrong shaped head, I guess. I think we're making good time. I made it on time. Okay. Nothing really happening here right now. It's just, I don't think it's started yet. Okay. The market actually looks pretty cool. It's empty. It's like a bit of a ghost town. Things are just getting set up. So we'll have a little walk around and we'll see what it looks like in the daytime, and then we'll head up. I found where we need to stand. I think I can see a spot. So we'll head up there. We'll do the photos. It's not a total loss, but I don't know how this happens. Got a coffee. Passing some time. I have no idea what I'm doing. This guy is trying the same thing I'm trying. He says we can't do higher than 4. I'm gonna try it. Trying the stairs now. There's no way that there's only 4 stories. I saw it from the outside. We are gonna go up. That guy is gonna regret giving up so quick. We're up to floor 5. Got a good feeling about this. Definitely not the right room. Where the hell am I? I'm starting to feel like I might be in a horror film now. Blood? Or something worse. And that one doesn't even open. I've gone too far. Questionable people frequent this area. Nope. I know there are windows higher than this. I just don't know how you get to them. Starting to run out of time. I knew I shouldn't have had that coffee. Everyone's here. It's exactly like I predicted it would be. But there are some other people who are Instagrammers for sure. But they're not getting the picture we're getting. See, what we're going for is we want the market and we want the city as well. Everyone goes for just the market down here. And we want a little bit of what's over there as well. It's an amazing pink sky. It's gonna be a good shot. We got it. This deserves a beer and some rotting. We got it.